Hello you guys, and welcome back to another hair video. This video is going to be so exciting for me because I am not using braiding hair at all. I'm thinking that I can just add hair in and create that bohemian look, but with my natural hair, so that I don't have to reach for that hair and stretch it. I don't want to have to do all that. I don't want to have to separate that hair and also separate the curly strands. I'm over it. Basically, I'm going to be using 100% human hair to feed in, and my hair is human, so I feel like it'll create less tangles. The hair that I got, it looks so good. I decided to go with the Janet collection. I'm not even gonna lie. This is some expensive hair. This is the 14 inch. The 14 inch at my store was $49.99, so $50. And it is bulk hair. It's already cut off the weft and all that good stuff. And then the freaking 24 inch, $89. I almost didn't get this, but I was also like, I do want to feed in a long piece at the top. I don't want it to just kind of stop here. So I don't know. We might break open this pack. We might not. I'm considering not. But I am excited about it. First, I need to go ahead and separate all the strands because I want to be moving fast. I've already parted my hair, as you can see. Normally, I don't pre-part, but I feel like I wanted this to go really fast. And plus, I had to wait till the hair store opened, so we had some time. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this hair out and laying it out on my table, and then I'll be back so that we can get started. As soon as I got the hair out, I went ahead and added some jam to the ends. I'm using the red Shine Jam because that's what I got. And I'm just peeling them apart, like separating just like a small section, just like that. And then it'll be like that. And then I just twist it here just to keep that strand of hair intact so that I don't have to worry about hair being everywhere because I don't have time for that. Just twisting it from here. There you go. Okay guys, so I finally figured it out, y'all. It took me some time because I was not trying to use my 24 inch because it's so expensive, but you are gonna need to use that 24 inch. You cannot necessarily use the 14 inch if you want it to be like long and full like the look that I'm going for. But this is how it looks. I think it looks really, really good. Like I said, I didn't use any braiding hair. I'm just braiding my natural hair and then just feeding the hair in. And I'm just practicing with that because, you know, it's a learning curve, but this is how it looks up close. I just added the hair, but I could add more hair. However, I'm trying to make the hair spread because y'all, I don't have that much. But this looks so good. I love how natural it looks. It doesn't look like it's too much, and it's not taking as much time for me to do it. So it is taking a little bit of time because I really don't know what I'm doing. So I'm trying to see how much hair I want to add, and trying to feed it in at the bottom really was a tricky thing for me initially, but I think I got my method down pat, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. I was gonna go ahead and do another row, but I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys. Let me zoom in. Okay, this is pretty good. It's pretty good. Comb this out. I am using the Curlsmith Curl Conditioning Oil-In Cream. Y'all know I used to love this leave-in conditioner. I still do love it. But I'm gonna add some of that to the ends because as you can see, it's kind of like a pasty. So it's gonna keep that controlled. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add, I really don't need the jam at my roots. Y'all see how smooth my roots look? A little good blowout session there, bud. I'm gonna start off with a braid and make this as tight as you want. I like to make mine a little tight, especially because it's my natural hair. I can really get a nice grip in there. I'm just gonna plait, just like you're doing a regular plait. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and feed in something. I'm gonna feed in this one because this one looks nice and thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed that in. I'm not gonna feed it in like halfway. I'm just gonna feed in like this much of the hair. So as you see, I just put that small section in, and I'm gonna hold this in my mouth. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add another piece. And this one This one I'm gonna put back into the hair so it ends up being at the bottom of the braid. And then I'm gonna continue to add the other 2 pieces just like that, so that we have the hair falling at the bottom. And I'm gonna add another piece. So now you see it's 3 pieces, and you can just continue to braid past your hair, and then the only thing that'll be left is this curly hair. Now you can make the ends as thick or as thin as you want, but the trick is to not have it look weird where it's like skinny here and thicker here like I just did. That's the kicker. I'm gonna redo it because clearly these sections that I'm adding are too big. So yeah, that's the only thing. Like, you don't want to add too much. It has to be the right section and the right amount. That's the only tricky part about this. But the good part about these braids as well, y'all, is that the hair is gonna hide all of those imperfections anyway, so it really doesn't matter, but I want to get better at it, so that's why I'm okay with starting over. But it really doesn't matter. You won't be seen. Yeah, this one's kind of raggedy. This one's raggedy. I try to add more hair than I need to this one because this is a skinny braid, but I'm not taking it out anymore. It's just gonna be what it's gonna be. So I like to secure it by just tying a knot around it and pulling. And then you got the hair coming out the bottom. And this hair as well. So then that's what this braid looks like. I should have took another one out, but you know, once all the hairs are together, it'll blend in. At least that's what I'm telling myself. We are down to our last few. I'm ready to be done with this hairstyle. I'm not even gonna play. Like, it's so much has happened while I've been doing my hair. Like, the first thing happened, my lights completely went off for like 6 hours. And so that was annoying. And then, so I couldn't really film. And then I ran out of hair. So I had to go back and get another pack of hair, which I did in the 24 inches because the 14 inches just wasn't doing. So I took one of the 14 inches back because I did open one of them. So I'm just gonna have to keep this one, which I didn't use but like one bundle of that. I'm just trying to use it just because I already, you know, took it apart. So anyway, so I would say get 2 packs of the 24-inch hair, which, like I said, they're both $89 a pack at my beauty supply store, but if you can find it cheaper, cool. It comes with 4 of these bundles. This is my 7th bundle. I think you'll only need 7, so you will still have 1 more bundle left after you use this. But you can fill in the hair as much as you want and use all 2 and crochet it later if you like, whatever. Now I'm trying to take bigger sections because I'm kind of at the top, so I want to put more hair. I really have no idea, like I know what I'm doing. I know y'all like, how you not know what you're doing and you about done with your hair? Because I keep switching the method. I'm switching up the methods because I want to see which method works best. And I really don't know if I've come up with the right one. I think just feeding the hair in like you normally would and just leaving the pieces out is the better way to go about it. However, it starts to make the braid big, and the fact that I already have big parts because I wasn't trying to do small parts. If you want perfect braids, you should do all of your parts the same size. You know, I struggle with parting by myself, and some of these are big, some of these are small. I actually don't care. Like I said, I don't care. It just saved me hundreds of dollars by switching to do the shit myself, you know. So you take what you can get, but I think it looks amazing. My hair is colored. Give y'all some close-ups. Y'all see, like, my braids are not that perfect, but with the hair and everything coming out, you really don't like see it, and it's not really that bad. It really just look like I'm an island girl. I did my hair myself, and it's just effortless beauty. That's what I wanted it to look like. I wanted it to look like I'm a mermaid and I swim all day, so that's why my curls ain't perfect. Okay, bye. I did fall asleep on the couch yesterday, and this hair bled like crazy. Like, it was black stuff all over my couch. My couch is white, so I'm gonna have to try to get that out, but hopefully everything works out because it's supposed to be one of those couches where you can clean, just wipe it off and it wipes off. So, but I'm gonna throw it in the wash machine because what? I got some paper towel because I want to see. I wiped my back earlier and there was like black stuff all over the paper towel. So let me see if I can gather some now. Can y'all see that? Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it because of the light, but I promise y'all it's some dark stuff on this. Can y'all see that? There's some dark stuff, some black stuff on my back mixed in with, like, you know, a bunch of the jam and all that stuff, but I can tell this hair is bleeding. So I say all that to say I am gonna wash my hair tomorrow, but for today we have to go ahead and put some mousse on the roots. And this hair is wet and wavy, so I am gonna come back tomorrow to show y'all what it looks like after it's like wet, you know. But yeah, I'm not gonna wash it tonight because I don't want to sleep with wet hair, but tomorrow we're gonna wash it and I'm gonna show you guys how it really looks in its entirety. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. So it is the next day and I did wash my hair this morning. Look at how it's looking. It still look good. I thought my natural hair was gonna be real frizzy after I washed this hair, but it wasn't. But I do highly recommend washing the hair before you install it. I do love the style, y'all. It is so good. It's so good. I like it with just the natural hair. I do need some practice making my braids in my parts a little bit more crispy and nice, but I like it. I like it a lot. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.